Aggravated robbery is a collision causing injury.
All right. Norma, and are you going to be asking for a PSI?
Correct, yes.
Norma, I need a PSI and tap date, please.
Guess not.
That's fine.
26, Judge.
That's fine.
All right, so January 26th. And everyone, we'll just do the motion to revoke on January 26th as well.
That's great.
All right,
On the record.
I need everyone to, thank you. Court is calling 2025 CR 011020, 2025 CR 011311C, 2025 CR 011309A, State versus Adrian Isaac Hernandez. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Melissa Christian for the defendant.
And are you Adrian Isaac Hernandez?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, in each of the cause numbers, have you received all discovery and did you review it with your client?
I have, and I have done so, yes.
And each cause number, the court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Hernandez, in each cause number, did you review the document entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication or Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
And each cause number, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
State, in the cause number ending in 20, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes.
And the cause number ending in the letter C, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes.
And the cause number ending in the letter A, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes.
Mr. Hernandez, in each of the cause numbers, did you review the documents entitled Court Admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
And the cause number ending in 20, you're charged with collision involving an injury. The range of punishment is not more than 5 years in the prison or up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail, and a fine not to exceed $5,000. And the cause number ending in the letter C, you're charged with aggravated robbery. The range of punishment is anywhere from 5 to 99 years or life in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. And the cause number ending in A, you're charged with aggravated robbery. Range of punishment is anywhere from 5 to 99 years or life in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And each cause number, if you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
And each cause number, you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering these pleas, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into plea bargain agreements in each of these cause numbers?
Yes, ma'am.
In the cause number ending in 20, if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, you could, and if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, you could be sentenced up to 5 years in the prison. In the other cause numbers for the aggravated robbery cases, if the court grants your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court will be able to sentence you up to life in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
He does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do believe.
Mr. Hernandez, in each of the cause numbers, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
In each cause number, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. In the cause numbers ending in C and A, according to your plea bargain agreement, punishment is to be assessed at a cap of 12 years in the prison. There's a $2,000 fine, affirmative finding of deadly weapon. The state is opposed to your application for deferred adjudication. All of these cases will run concurrently, including the motion to revoke. and the state will take in consideration 2025 CR 0113110C and 2025 CC 00977. And the cause number ending in 20, according to your plea, punishment is to be assessed at 5 years in the prison. There's a $2,000 fine. State is opposed to your application for deferred adjudication. All of the cases will run concurrently, and the same cases will be taken in consideration that were previously stated. Did you understand that to be your plea bargain agreement in each of these cause numbers?
Yes, ma'am.
State,
Yes.
defense.
Yes, Judge.
In each cause number, did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
There have been motions filed, but nothing that would qualify.
All right, then in cause number 2025 CR 011020, how do you plead?
No conflict.
And cause number 2025 CR 011309A, how do you plead?
No contest.
And cause number 2025 CR 011311C, how do you plead?
No conflict.
State any evidence to support the defendants, please.
The state states what an attachment to each.
And we have no objection in each case.
All right, state, you may be excused. In each cause number, did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses? The state would call in the right to remain silent.
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. In each cause number, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. We'll be back on January 26th. At that time, the court will make a decision based upon your applications based upon any evidence that is submitted. Counsel, is there a need for a mental health evaluation or no?
I don't believe so, Judge. We will have live witnesses on the 26th.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge. I
Thank
would
you.
excuse.
Thank you. Have a good
Yes,
day.
you too.
Anti-attack or?
Yes. And then, Ms. A.
Well,
Court is calling 2023 CR 3432 State versus Daniel Escalante. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Peter Calderola for Mr. Escalante, Your Honor.
Are you Mr. Escalante?
Yes, Your Honor.
You entered a plea in this case and you applied for deferred adjudication. The state is recommending deferred adjudication. Was there a PSI completed in this case?
There was not, Your Honor.
Okay,
I believe that this hearing was for restitution only, Judge.
all right. And do you have a restitution amount?
we did receive an amount, Judge. The complainant in this case did receive an insurance payout. There was no deductibles.
No restitution? Okay. All right. Anything you want to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, merely that one family member did appear today. Mr. Escalante suffered from homelessness, Judge, but his aunt is here, Miss Williams. Miss Williams, if you just stand up for the court. She will be a support system for him, Your Honor. She resides here in San Antonio and will give him a stable living environment.
All right. So my concern is his mental health because of this. So how's that being addressed? Does
Judge-
his aunt know anything about his mental health?
Not that I'm aware of, Your Honor.
You want to call her up?
Sure. I'd be
All right.
happy.
If he'll step this way.
Right here, Mr. Scanlon, move back against the counter.
Defense would call Diana Williams to the stand.
right, can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
All right, you lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Diana R. Williams.
All right, so what can you tell me about your nephew?
He is my nephew. He's been going through a little financial business changes. As far as me as a parent, I just moved back to San Antonio 5 years ago. And I'm seeing this fall from my family. We don't have, he don't have grandma and grandpa no more. So he has us, and I did tell him and the attorney that I will be a support system for him. He doesn't have that encouragement every day. It's only when he goes through something. You know, he needs that uplift every day. As far as his mental health, he was being assist. Because being homeless and he wasn't working at the time, I got him set up with Central Med on Walsum.
Mm-hmm.
And they have started to seeing him. They do have a mental health doctor that comes there on Saturdays. And we have started seeing him. As far as medication, we haven't gave him, they haven't prescribed anything because we were still in the verbal session.
And so would he have a place to stay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, would that be with you?
Yes.
All right, so let
And
me.
he didn't have that before.
All right, so this is what I'm going to want you to do. I'm going to want you to provide your name and address to probation.
Okay.
So that he can stay with you, since you've agreed to that.
Okay.
But for him to be successful on probation, you're going to have to help us out, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So if there are some issues with him, you need to let us know about them.
Okay.
What I can tell you in this court, when somebody's placed on probation, the goal is for them to successfully complete it and for us never to see them again unless they're just coming in to say hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Um,
And since then of the assessment, Daniel has gotten a job. He's
Mhm.
been steady with a little job, but it's just transportation and everything else it's hard to get him to and from. So he tried to maintain, he tried to hold on, it's just, nowadays, people don't realize they do need help, Don't ever think you don't.
all right, thank you so much, and thank you for coming.
Thank you, Ms.
All right,
May she be excused, Your Honor?
yes.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, if you'll come forward, this is what the court is going to do. The court is going to sentence you to 4 years, and state you may be excused. Court is going to sentence you to 4 years deferred adjudication. You to reside with your aunt, Miss Williams. She's going to give the address. You're not allowed to reside anywhere else unless the court gives you permission. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you reside or leave that location without letting probation know, without getting permission from the court, that's a violation of your probation, and you'll be looking at potentially 2 years in the state jail facility. Do you understand?
That's right.
All right, 4 years deferred adjudication, reside with Miss Williams, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, do a mental health evaluation out of custody, a referral to Center for Healthcare Services, field visits 1 time per month until further notice, proof of employment within 45 days of release, no employment as a home healthcare provider or with minors, 120 hours of community service restitution. How far did you go in school?
Just 1 year,
1 year college?
1 year college.
All right. The 120 hours will be deemed satisfied if you obtain your college degree or any type of trade certification. Otherwise, you're going to have to do those 120 hours. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
There's to be no contact with Nicholas Gobluski, MD, RAHMAN. And all right, thank you.
Thank
Is
you,
there
Your Honor.
anything else you need from the court?
No, Your Honor.
Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because this is a plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Your Honor, may we be excused?
Yes.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, the court is taking its recess.
I have a
You have, he's on page 9, go down.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't know what you asked.
All right, thank you. All right, Henry Salazar.
Your Honor, Jeffrey Martinez for defense.
All right, just 1 second. All right, what is happening with this case?
Your Honor, we'd ask to set it for a contested hearing.
All right, Norm, I need to set in 10 days for a contested hearing.
Your Honor, we will have to amend the MTR. I was just looking at it right now and the offense date that's alleged for the new number 1 is actually the date he was arrested, but that was on a warrant and the offense occurred on another day. So we'll have to amend it.
All right, that needs to be, that can be done today.
I'm working.
All right, thank you. 10 days, please.
That would be 15, December 15th.
All right, we'll come back here December 15th for a contested hearing.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, once you sign the reset form, you're excused. Thank you.
Thank you. One of them, the two of them are, so one of them is a 1-4, the other 1.68. I don't know much about that, except that. One is saying it's a deputy, you know, the view shows him going in, like there's a car that's running out, she's doing like clean stuff or whatever. And as like the guy looks at the camera, just escapes through the base, they jump to the truck, drives off.
All right.
Drives around for an hour. Fine.
Ms. Christian, are you ready to proceed?
It's like,
And are there any applications?
All those. But there is also a motion to revoke.
Members?
Yes, on Hernandez, yes. So it's an MTR, 2 aggravated